Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing when people do a little mini drugstore haul and hear an announcement, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so this here is a haul from, of all places, Walgreens. I don't get out of the house much and I like to shop online. I was looking for a specific product. I found it at Walgreens. And you know me, I hate paying for shipping and handling. So I perused what was on sale in the drugstore makeup department so I could qualify for free shipping, and that is what I have in front of me. Stick around to the end to hear some exciting news. So it had been a while since I had done a haul from Walgreens. OMG, I need to do it more often. First off, they were having some sales or coupons or the type of deals where it's like, buy two, get the third one free kind of a scenario. So then, of course, you know, I end up tossing some things into my cart so I can get that free item. But what impressed me most was this package arrived 2 days after I placed the order. I know, right? That is almost faster than Amazon, because lately, I don't know why I pay for Prime. Remember when you used to get your products the next day? Amazon, you've gone downhill. Oh, yay! I forgot. I was really shy of hitting whatever you need for free shipping. I want to say it's like $35. Don't quote me on that. But if I added something else makeup-wise, it made me go way over. No judgment. But the beauty of shopping at Walgreens is you can also pick up a snack. These are some Sour Patch Kids in the flavor watermelon. That's all I'm going to say. All right, let me grab the product that was why I made this haul. Okay, so this here is Sun In from Tropical Breeze. Leave me a comment if you remember this product from the 80s. I haven't heard of it, talked about it, or used it since the 80s. But one of my viewers, Amber, hey Amber, recommended I give this a try because recently I dyed my hair and it ended up being more strawberry blonde red than blonde. So we're going to try some Sun In. If you see me looking cray-cray in an upcoming video, we'll know that that product did not work as expected. But hey, we're going to give it a try. Okay, so if you follow me, thank you. You would have seen in a recent Ulta haul video, I already purchased this product, but when I did that haul, I mentioned I forgot about. Anyways, I love the product, so I do not mind that I have a backup. This here is from e.l.f. It's the Suntouchable Whoa Glow. I'm wearing it today. Not that you can see it, but I love it. First off, it's super affordable. It's $14. Hopefully you can pick it up when it goes on sale, if it goes on sale or you got a coupon. But it does not sting my eyes. I was taking it right under my eyes. I put it on top of my eyes, right here. It did not creep in, did not make my eyes sting or water. So that in and of itself is fantastic, because I can't tell you how many sunscreens I use, and I keep it way down here, and it still will creep in and make my eyes burn. Not this product. It does give a slight glow. Once you put your makeup on, I don't notice it as much, but then again, I am comparing it to some very glowy products that I normally wear. But it is wonderful, works great under makeup. Highly recommend. All right, the next product is this guy here, which is from Physicians Formula. I haven't bought anything from Physicians Formula in a hot minute. It's the Butter Glow Liquid Bronzer. I'm into liquid products. I am into not so much bronzing, but contouring, but I will use a bronzer to contour. And I was just super curious how this product would work. But okay, it does come safety sealed. I think I'm going to give this a try in a separate video. But leave me a comment if you have tried this product or used it before. And the last product is also from Physicians Formula. I've been eyeing this product for quite some time, and I want to say with the Physicians Formula it was some kind of a buy one get one. I don't know, maybe it wasn't by brand, maybe it was just at Walgreens if you bought two and the third one, I can't remember. But do I need to explain? No. I saw this, I wanted it, I put it in my cart, and now I own it. If I can only figure out how to get the packaging. All right. So she is very cute, a little smaller than it indicated, the photo on the website. No big deal. Ooh, I love how there's a button that pops that open. Oh, okay, so underneath is the world's ittiest, teeny weedy little brush that I will probably never use. Oh, and then there is a mirror. And then, okay, this will not flip open more, but look how cute. It has a nice design of little flowers. Okay, so I'm gonna swirl my finger everywhere because that's how this is intended. You could try to only get that dark piece or the little light piece, but oh, that is beautiful. Okay, I'm not wearing any blush. I've already swatched it. Let's toss this on my face. I used to have, and I still have it. I say used to. I don't know where it is. That little box with the highlighters that kind of had different shades. I love that. I need to figure out what I did with it. All right, let's. Okay. Very pretty. Now, that was it as far as the haul goes. What I'm announcing is OMG. I am gaining so many subscribers so much quicker than I used to. I'm almost about to hit 1,500. So I'm going to announce my 1,500 subscriber giveaway because in a few weeks I will be there. I will do the drawing. Here is what you need to do to qualify for that giveaway. Be a U.S. resident, at least 18 years or older. Be subscribed to my channel and I will verify. You need to be publicly subscribed. I will link to a video that explains how to be publicly subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Could not be easier. Now what I'm going to do is probably do multiple giveaways. I'll do my drawing and then I will probably draw a second person and possibly a third. No promises, but I have so many products. I have tons of hair care, skin care, and makeup products with shades I don't really reach for that I specifically set aside for giveaways. So I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And particularly those of you who already are subscribed, who watch and comment on my videos and support me. That means the world to me. I've had this YouTube channel for over 3 years now. And finally, I'm getting close to 1,500 subscribers, which for me is amazing. But my growth has been really slow. So I appreciate you. And clicking the thumbs up, I know you hear YouTubers say it all the time, but it's very true. Clicking the thumbs up, leaving a comment, which is engagement, it adds into the YouTube algorithm and really helps to promote my channel because it will send my video to others. See me and my personality and go, hey, I want to subscribe. It's just this whole cycle. So you taking 2 seconds to click that button really does help. All right. Thanks, everyone.